Well, here we are, ready to leave Ullapool today. Make our way up to Drumbeg and then turn around, start heading south towards Inverness, where we're going to stay near Inverness. Yeah, and the day is going to be one of those all weathers. Very nice hotel here, the Royal. It was full of bikers. There was a club, a motorcycle club with German and English members that left a little while ago. Quite impressive. A lot of different bikes. Yeah, get all sorts here. Look at this. Nice collection of different things. Intruder. Ali. Himalayan. Virago. Look at this. Soaring Scotland. Where does that come from? From Germany. Look at that. From Belgium. Loads and loads of bikers come from abroad to visit here, to visit Scotland. It's wonderful.
You have no right to make photos of...
You are in public.
No, but I'm illegal here.
I will accept a bribe not to report you.
There you go, guys. Forget about panniers. Just buy a Samsonite.
Oh, it fits perfectly.
Yeah, buy a Samsonite suitcase.
It looked massive when it was, but it fits perfectly.
To the back of your bike. That would do it.
And the temperature says 16 degrees. I think it's going to drop a little bit. The forecast is for bit of sun, bit of rain, bit of sun, bit of rain, bit of sun, bit of rain, bit of rain, bit of rain, and the temperature to drop to single digit Celsius. So we'll see how we go. And here we go. Rain. Hey. Beautiful little beach. Bit stony. It's hailstones. It's hailstones. It's hailstones. The gauge is now showing 7 degrees. 7. So yeah, we pulled into the pie shop in Lochinver. It looked like it had absolutely delicious pies on the menu, but we were only stopping there for drinks, so I had a delicious cup of tea. And while we were in there, the heavens opened.
I think on my way another 15 minutes.
And 5 minutes later, the heavens had closed again, although it's just drizzly now. But it's cold, guys. 5 degrees showing on the temperature gauge here. Certainly fresh for summer. Summer, eh? Yeah, it's been an adventure. Oh, sheep on the road, or on the side of the road. It's the lambs you got to worry about. All right, catch you later. I think some of my riding buddies want to go for a swim. It's a great day for it. I'm not sure they brought swimming suits, so maybe they're gonna go skinny dipping. Yeah, Frank is getting proper filthy now. A lot of sand and shit. The Michelins are holding up really nicely. Very, very good tyres for here. Very, very good indeed. Yeah, I took the downpipe guard off for the strip, just in case I needed to do anything with it. It's just too much of a faff to take the fairings off when that thing's installed, the way I have it installed. And so far I've lost one RNG headlight protector. Has gone flying off, so that's gone. I'll get a replacement when I get home. Yeah, but yeah, so far that's really the only damage. Oh yes, I think I will. Look at this beautiful setting, so we're going to stop for lunch. Kylesku. Wow. Look at the colour of that water. What a view. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Stunning. You can't leave me behind now.
After a delicious lunch in a beautiful location in Kylesku, we went over the beautiful Kylesku Bridge. Kylesku Bridge was as far north and as far from home as we would get on this trip. We crossed it again, this time starting south and heading back towards home. Our destination for the day was Beauly outside Inverness. More gorgeous roads and stunning scenery were enjoyed along the way. Although we are now closer to the end of the tour than to its start, there are still many adventures to come. I hope you have enjoyed sharing this day with me. Subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Please drop a comment below with your thoughts and feedback, and I hope to see you in the next video. For now, this is Noob out.